Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to update software version for your headphones JBL TUNE 770. You have to start by open JBL Headphones application. Of course, you need to add your headphones to the application, and if you did it, it will open for you already the headphones menu. But if it open to you this menu, the main menu, just tap at your headphones. Okay, so firstly, if update available for you, usually you will see this line, software update available. Not all the time. Sometimes it happens that you cannot see it. Okay, so you can click here, or you can scroll down, go to the support, then click at the software in about, and click update right here. As you can see, we have the same menu. So update. Now don't use your headphones, just wait until the update finished, and keep these headphones close to your phone. Okay, I will speed up it for you, and then I will show you how to successful update look like. Okay, so now it asks to pair, so click pair. Done. And now let's check again. So if you click at the software line and nothing happened, meaning that you have the latest software version. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.